Back at the warehouse, an order is ready to go. In a rush to stay on schedule, Aaron leaves the cool room door open. Luckily for him, the sensor detects the temperature rising and sends an alert. So Aaron can act fast and prevent the stock from spoiling. Here's how it works. Let's go over some sensors essentials. Shift from reactive compliance to proactive operations. This is your sensors dashboard, a live view of every sensor connected to your account. Let's break it all down. In this video, we'll cover your live monitoring dashboard, viewing sensor readings, configuring alerts, and responding to an alert from the mobile app. Quick permission check. You'll need the sensor's access permission to view sensor data. To configure alerts, you'll also need sensors manage. Let's start with live monitoring. Head to Sensors. If you don't see it, check under More. It's hiding there. This is your live view. Every sensor connected to your account with its current reading and status. If a reading has moved outside its configured range, it'll be flagged here automatically. Now it's time to go over sensor readings. Click any sensor to open it. Here's the full picture. Current temperature and humidity at the top, a live graph of recent readings, alert configurations on the right, and alert history at the bottom. If you want to see relative humidity on the graph, enable it here. On the right, use the date picker to set your time range, useful for spotting trends or confirming exactly when something changed. Now let's configure alerts. To get started, select Alert Configuration. Turn on the alert type you want. We'll go with temperature. Set the value, above or below a specific temperature. Set the duration, how long readings need to be outside range before the alert fires. Then choose who gets notified. Make sure recipients set their notification preference in their settings. Admins can configure this in bulk for the entire org. Hit Save. You can configure multiple alert types for the same sensor. Now let's review alert history. Back on the Sensors page, select the Alert History tab. All alert history is available here. Filter by location, and use the date picker to look back at any period. Click any alert to see the sensor's details. You'll see the breach window highlighted on the graph, so you know exactly when the temperature went out of range. Now let's respond to an alert on the mobile app. When the alert fires, your team gets an instant notification. Tap it, and it takes you straight to that sensor. From there, you can create an action. Get the right person on it immediately. Alert, assign, handled. Now you're one step closer to proactive operations. For more, search sensors in our Help Center. From your first alert to full environmental monitoring, it's all there. Head to help.safetyculture.com.